Because of the collaboration between Owens Corning and Ultimaker, it has enabled our customers to print and use designs using the profile settings within Ultimaker Cura. Globally, Owens Corning employs about 19,000 people. The primary focus is roofing, insulation, and fiberglass composites. Fiberglass composites is everywhere in the world around us, from automobiles to wind blades to building materials. The downsides of having, let's say, a tool or fixture made external is, one, you have to locate a company to make it. And when you deal with that, typically the lead time could range from 2 weeks to several months with a cost in the thousands of dollars. And you don't know when you get that part back if that's going to be right. The one thing I always tell everybody is that your first design is never the right design. X-Strand is an engineering grade material that has 30% glass fiber within it, and now we're combining it with a filament that can be 3D printed. It's designed to be used indoor, outdoor, for any kind of application. It's not going to fall apart in the sun, it's not going to change color, it's not going to lose strength. We have a team in Chambéry, France that developed the X-Strand product line. They realized the importance of having an iLab, which is dedicated of several Ultimaker printers, so that we can produce parts using our own materials to solve real-world problems. There was a collaboration between the material scientists at Owens Corning and the engineers at Ultimaker, where we had to develop the perfect print profiles and settings so that this abrasive material, this very strong composite material, could be printed on the Ultimaker S5. Because of the collaboration between Owens Corning and Ultimaker, it has enabled our customers to print and use designs using the profile settings within Ultimaker Cura. It's very easy. You just load your design, you select which material you're going to use. You can now select X-Strand from the drop-down list, and it'll pre-populate all of your settings for you. You just tell it what kind of quality you want. Kind of how we viewed Ultimaker is that when it comes to a professional printer, being here in the iLab, we need a printer that is a workhorse. We're printing parts all day long. Our printers run 24 hours a day, typically 7 days a week. Last year, we recorded over 17,000 hours of print time, and that comes from our manufacturing plants, internal and external. Once customers start realizing that now they have this S5 that is dedicated for the industrial environment, for people like myself that want to use a printer for materials like X-Strand, I think that's amazing. That, you know, it's not just for the classroom anymore, it's for the manufacturing plants, it's for development work.